Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorun Lowayinde, also known as Sapphire Joel, one of the economic developer within the Kringle community. Guys, this is just an admonition and a charge to us all, especially for as many who are still dilly-dallying, who are still procrastinating in joining us on the good things that is going on presently. For as many who are also having the wrong mindset, I think it's time you have a change of mind. Don't forget, your mind determines your might, and your mind also creates and determines your world. So, in all you do, know that your mind matters a lot, and every mindset that you have towards it determines the progress and the achievement that comes out from it. And especially in this 21st century that we are in, is the age of the mind. So, a new life comes from a new mind. For you to have a new life and to enjoy the newness of your life, it comes from a new mind. You need to sanitize your mind and feed your mind with good and positive things. A new mind comes from a new life comes from a new mind. So therefore, to succeed in life, especially in this age that we are in, you must first renew and build your mind. A built mind empowers you to see things, even that which is yet to manifest. So, to all old members and to all members of the Kringle community, and to everyone watching or listening to this broadcast, have a good and positive mindset towards this wonderful and golden opportunity. TVC is a unique opportunity that has never been such of it. TBC is different from every other cryptocurrency out there. TBC is a mission with a currency. TBC has the love for humanity at heart. So don't miss this opportunity. The opportunity is changing our lives. So don't miss this opportunity that will have changed your life also. So today I urge you, have a change of mindset towards what TBC is all about. And you will see that great thing which is yet to come. So guys, I welcome you on board to TBC if you are not yet a member. And if you are a member but you are inactive, please get active and join us. Great and wonderful things are going on presently. Don't be left behind. So have a positive mindset towards the Kringle community. I love you all. Come on board. Welcome. I want you to like this broadcast, share, and subscribe to it. God bless you.